everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're making creamy chicken tortilla soup because it's still cold in New Jersey and I haven't really made a lot of soups. This will actually be my first soup of this season, which is really late. So let's jump off with some ingredients that you're going to need for this soup. Cilantro, lime, a jalapeno pepper, chicken breast, boneless and skinless, cream cheese, an onion, diced tomatoes, green chilies, black beans, tomato sauce, and chicken broth, and corn. Just to name a few. We're going to be using some more things. We're also going to garnish it with like avocado, some more cilantro, lime wedges, tortilla strips. Well, actually I don't have tortilla strips. I have tortilla chips. Tongue twister. So we're just going to crush that on the top. So let's get to making some soup. Let's start with a little prep ASMR.
Cut the heat up because it's pretty long.
We're going to start by putting both chicken breasts in a bowl, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper and half of the seasonings. Don't add the optional cayenne pepper in this step. Make sure you get the seasoning all over the chicken breast. My glove was giving me a hard time here. Add olive oil to a heated Dutch oven and then sear the chicken for 3 minutes on both sides. Remove from the pot and set aside. Add butter to that same pot, and once melted, add in your onion, jalapenos, and the other half of the seasoning mix. And this is when you add in the optional cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together till it's well coated and cook for 3 minutes. Next, you're going to add in the garlic and you're going to cook that for an additional 30 seconds. Add in the chicken broth, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, green chilies, chicken bouillon packet, and the chicken breast along with any leftover juices from the plate. Stir it together, bring to a boil, cover and cook for 20 minutes. Remove chicken from the pot and with 2 forks begin to shred all of the chicken. Back over to the pot, we're going to add in the black beans, corn, and the shredded chicken. Mix it together and heat for about 5 minutes. Add in the cream cheese and mix until it's melted and mix through. Lastly, we're going to add in some cilantro and lime juice, give it one final mix, and now it's done and we're ready to plate. So the soup is done and it's time to try it. I have it right here. Sorry that it's out of frame, but let's give it a taste. It smelled good while I was making it, I'll give you that. Yeah, this is good. Let me try some with some avocado. I think the saltiness from this helps. I have them in wedges, but I have more and I think I'm just gonna crunch them up and throw them in there. Because again, I don't have strips, so that'll help. But it's so good. It's so good. I can't stop eating it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Full recipe will be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed as much as I am. I can't wait to get back to it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next recipe video. Bye.